What's up guys, Cody from KHC here today, and I know this is not our normal backdrop, but I promise you guys we have a great video for you. So we have a 2023 Tacoma that is in the shop right now. Zach has already started pulling it apart. Like I said, 2023 Tacoma, we have some awesome fuel covert wheels in matte bronze with a black finish. So along with the wheels, we have a rough country 3.5-inch lift kit going on. And what makes it so special is the Vertex adjustable coilovers and the Vertex reservoir shocks. Now, I think it's time. We've talked about it enough. Let's go head on the shop and let's get working. Well guys, here it is. The 2023 Tacoma is looking absolutely killer on this rough country 3.5-inch lift kit. Now this is the kit that has the Vertex adjustable coilovers along with the Vertex reservoir shocks. So in my opinion, with this lift kit, these fuel covert wheels matched with the BF Goodrich tires is a perfect kit for any of you Tacoma owners. So if you guys are ever interested in getting yourself a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit, call us on over and we'll hook you guys up. So guys, as always, please don't forget to like the video, maybe leave down in the comments below what you think about this Tacoma build, and as always, subscribe to the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.